Today we have a very traditional recipe. This is one of my mom's recipes. This is the famous chicken coop dumpling from Hoiping, China. It gets its name from the fact that it looks like a chicken coop. So you're gonna enjoy this a lot. You're gonna really like this. This is Hoiping, China, also known as Kaiping in Mandarin. A lot of the early Chinese pioneers to North America came from this area. Hoiping has become a big city in a lot of ways, but the people here still like to eat the traditional Chinese street food. So I'm having this chicken coop. I'm having this chicken coop dumpling, similar to one that my mom makes. So this is a traditional dumpling. You can get it right here between the Kentucky Fried Chicken KFC and the McDonald's.
So this is the traditional Chinese dumplings. A lot of business here. Reminds me of my mom's cooking. So it's pretty busy. I think they're going to sell everything by tonight. They used to be farther down the street, but now they told me they're right here near the Kentucky Fried Chicken and the McDonald's here. Tôi cái hồi香芒hồi.
Con nào vậy? Hoàn tháo dài. Ok.
Thôi rồi. So these are the rice dumpling. So they make it with rice and water and sometimes different flavors. So it's really delicious. This gentleman also gave me directions to go to the museum. I almost went to the wrong museum. So he gave me directions to go to the right museum. It's only about 10 minutes from here.
So I'm having this chicken coop dumpling, similar to one that my mom makes. The stand behind me is a regular stand. It used to be farther down the street, but they're a regular stand now. And it's located between the KFC and the McDonald's here in the main area of Hoiping in three cities. So it's really delicious. It's not greasy. The fillings are authentic. You're there with me having the chicken coop dumpling here in Hoiping, China. Now it's time to make my mom's version of the chicken coop dumpling. So we're using glutinous rice flour. So this is the brand that we like. You start off with 1 cup of glutinous rice flour. Then you put in 1 cup of boiled yams. So there's been about half a cup of hot water. So we use the same water that was used to boil the yams. If you like, you can use sweet potatoes instead of the yam. So just use your hand to blend the glutinous rice flour. And then you add another half cup of glutinous rice flour. If it's too dry, add some more water. So this is what the dough looks like after you knead it for 2 or 3 minutes. So put some of the rice flour into a pan. Just roll it a bit and then break it off into small pieces. So just roll the dough between your fingers. Just roll the dough between your palms of your hand and then shape the dumpling from the middle to the outside. So the middle is slightly thicker. So these ones you don't have to shape too thin. They're fairly dense. And then add about a tablespoon or more of filling. So we use a standard kind of filling, ground pork with green onions or chives and peas. So pretty well just stir fry that and let it cool off with the filling. Where do you come from? So these are called chicken coop dumplings, Gai Loong. So these are dumplings I've had since I was a little kid. So this is sort of a technique where you have to kind of feel the texture. But this is a starting point with our recipe today. So as you get more experience, you'll be able to adjust the content of the flour.
Không kịp tại.
Vậy nó要好快㗎，慳熱㗎。
係咯，
好力嘅，好力嘅，咪啲煎煎下咁冇力㗎啦。
mấy phải chỉ cái xong rồi đi qua là.
Bên đây我兩剝幾多熟㗎我哋。
係你兩剝你整就。
我當蒸咗都講啦，嗰陣。嚇？
冇咗好。
你自己就喺熟唔熟？
嗰啲飯匙。
Oh, okay. There you have it. Chicken coop dumpling, a simple, tasty treat from Hoiping, China. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. And please give me a thumbs up. And be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my other channel, the Chinese Cooking Channel. So the Chinese Cooking Channel won the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world, and it was also awarded the top 40 best China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button